Hi everyone, this is Cindy from llámenos Property Management. Today we are at 317 Union Street in Yakima. We are here to view number 5, which is a studio. It's a studio, but it has this bathroom, the kitchen of course, nice closet. This apartment is located on the side. So you go around the building to the side. Some steps. And here we are. There's some shelves here. Nice big window. I'll show you the closet. There is a built-in dresser. To our left is the kitchen with the stove and the refrigerator. We have a lot of cabinet space and drawers. As we turn around, this door leads us into the bathroom, where we have a bathtub. Cabinet. That is all. If you'd like to apply for this property, you can do so by going to our website like we did for the video and clicking on apply now. You do have that option. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a good day.